Alright, so here we're here to really replace one, but it's really two. So we're only replacing I don't even know which one we're replacing, but I guess in this one right here, since there's a gap right there, and we have all these trees in the way right here, which I'm gonna be cutting down. But yeah, this is looking crazy right now. Alright, look at this, all this shit on. Hey yo, what are these little plant, trees, grass, weed? I don't know what this is, because this definitely was not there when I first came. So like, what the heck are these, man? They just, a whole bunch of them just grew. So the goal for today was to replace just one part of the fence. I've been told the customer that they need the whole entire fence repair, but right now we're replacing just this part right here because it's like bent. So we're gonna to get that out of there. This fence in particular, I believe, was built like 20 years ago based on like this Google images I seen this house had these old fence since 20 years ago, and I looked it up. Like the latest picture, the oldest picture from Google is actually from 20 years ago. It could be further back, so maybe like 30 years or so. So yeah, this fence is pretty old, so it's definitely time to replace it. I think the toughest one's gonna be that one down here. I don't know if I'm able to get in there. And of course, my phone did not die. It just overheated. So like, it just overheated while it was at like 40%, and it was just like There's a few things on the other side. All right. Alright, it's all done. Yeah, that's it. That's all we have in it.